Hey guys, this is Eddie and this is another edition of On Board. If you're like me, you uncovered your boat, you took off the shrink wrap and you find the same thing that you find every year all over your interior. That's the mold. So the big thing is, how do we get our interior clean again? So there's a couple of products that I like to use. This one I used last year, which was really good. It's X14. Now you just spray this on, take a scrub brush with some water, wipe it down, and then wipe it off with a towel. So that works great. Now another product that I like to use, that I use on car interiors too, is LVP cleaner. Now this is leather, vinyl, and plastic cleaner. So this will work great on the interior and the conditions too. So this is a really great product. All I do is just put it in a spray bottle. I'll spray some on, and then I'll wipe it off. So we're going to test both and see which one works better. So now with the vinyl leather cleaner, I spray it on. I'm just going to take the brush and start cleaning it up like this. Okay. Now I just grab a towel. Now as you can see, you still have some on there, so you might have to do it once again. But it's not as heavy as it was, but also there's another heavy spot, so we'll try to use this cleaner. Spray that on, same way. Clean off my brush a little bit. Wow, that came out nice. I think this might be the better stuff, the X14. It seemed to come out really good on the first try, and you can see you still got more spots on here from the LVP cleaner. Let's try another little spot with the LVP. We'll spray it on up here. Let it work in a little bit. Okay. Yeah. I don't think the LVP cleaner is working as good as I expected it to. I never used it on the interior in a boat. Okay. The X14. Wow. Hands down, right? This is the stuff. Let's see if it takes off what was left from the LVP cleaner. Definitely took it a lot more cleaner. I'm going to try this spot over here again, where I use the LVP cleaner, and just see if this will get this totally clean. That is the shit. Look how clean that is. Again, cleaning everything off and comparing the two products, which I thought this would work great. Never used it before. This I used last year. Boat came out great with it last year, and it just took off everything. Takes off all the mold and everything. This is great stuff. So I recommend this. So Carl Tank was right. Carl Tank in Lindenhurst, he recommended this. This is awesome. So once again, guys, my name is Eddie. This is another edition of On Board. We hope this video helped you out. So get to work on cleaning your boat, and we'll catch you on the next video.